Hey YouTube, I hope everyone is safe and healthy with all this virus stuff going on. Today I have another episode of Hot Licks for you guys, and what we're going to look at is some stuff from Bach, one of my favorite composers. And so the things I want to show you are a lot of the patterns that he uses specifically in his two-part inventions. Now this one is one of my favorites, and I'm doing it where I'm learning it on the bass guitar for sight reading and guitar, and I put them together like I did in the one in C major. This one is in F major. So what we're going to look at are some licks that I put over a jam progression, and you'll be able to solo over it too. So let's take a look. So the really cool thing you can do with this pattern is you can take it all the way up the neck, and you can just do that diatonically. And here's an example. And if you play that, it'll really allude to Bach, and at the same time it'll add a new style to your playing and kind of mix it up a bit other than just the same. So, on this next jam track, we're going to be looking in the key of G Dorian, which is the same as F major that the Bach two-part invention is in. So, I'm going to demo and show you some lines, and then I'll leave some time on there for you to jam on your own. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and got some new things that you can put into your playing. I hope everyone is safe and healthy. I have some new projects coming out, so stick around for that. 2 new songs coming out, and I have a new remix, so stay tuned. Thank you guys.